teacher from Cook Elementary, and this is
Infinity Learning!
Imagine turning your classroom into a spaceship, shrinkcraft, or time machine at the push of a button, not only bringing what you just taught to life, but also giving you a more complete understanding of where each student is in their learning. Infinity Learning is a collaborative game the whole class gets to play together that measures the knowledge, skills, and dispositions of each participant. It can be run both remotely and in person for kindergarten through 12th grade and is designed to promote equity by helping students be better prepared to meet the demands of the future. Dig into the library of missions where you'll find dramatic, choose-your-own-adventure stories built around current science standards. During the mission, each student computer turns into a futuristic control station. In order to succeed, students must gather data, make decisions, and apply their learning. After each mission, a comprehensive report is generated for each student. Engage your students in learning and practicing real science and help us bring an end to the era of worksheets and pop quizzes. Our goal is to modernize assessments by measuring more than just what is remembered. Our mission is to level the playing field for every child by making sure they have all the knowledge, skills, and dispositions needed to reach their full potential.